Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make apple juice from Honeycrisp apples that I have that I grow in my backyard. My dad was going to give away this juicer to our local thrift store, and he thought that I might want it, so I thought I'd give it a try and see how it goes, and if it works out, it won't go to the thrift store and it'll stay at my house. But I thought I'd try it out. Let me show you how this works. It's kind of interesting. Here is a screen that catches the materials, and then it allows the juice to flow through. Down here is a bunch of serrated edges that chop up the apples. Really quite simple. We'll just assemble this machine real quick. Let's see. It's fairly easily assembled. Then I've got these cups. These are great for freezing, and that's what I intend to do. Is I intend to turn all of these apples plus many more into a bunch of juice, and then we'll fill it up to about here, and then go ahead and freeze those, and we can enjoy it for months to come. Let's start this out. This is going to be a little bit noisy. Oops, spilled a little. But right to the rim. This juice is great fresh, and it's great frozen. So, of course, if I'm filling this up, I'm going to about a ½ inch from the top to allow for a little expansion. I'd also put a little bit of lemon juice in there. That'll help keep it from browning. But for now, I'm going to just give it a try. Hope you enjoy it at your house, and these juicers are about $50 to $70 online. And anyway, have fun. Bye.